Hello viewer, it's a shape here. We are going to make the changes around it. Change the border color. I will change another design. Make it a layer style. Still we have to make the shapes. We will use the different options. Generate a new design with it. Add a paint there. I will use another shape. So here is an eraser tool we can use over the shape. I will add a paint on the complete structure. Change the layers.